What's up everyone, I hope you're doing really good today, and in this video we will be going over the most updated Ethereum news. So without further ado, let's begin with the video now. So to start off, let's check CoinMarketCap and we can see that Ethereum is on the second place with a price of 1,981 with a 4.47% increase from yesterday's price and a market cap value of 231.63 billion. So now let's begin with the news, and first from Investors Place we have buy Ethereum now as it changes up its transaction fees. So Ethereum is moving to implement a major change to how much Ethereum transaction cost. The change to its blockchain code, which we have talked about before, is called EIP 1559, and this week and for the rest of July it will be installed in various test sites and then eventually rolled out of the whole Ethereum network. Now we're going to describe how it works and what effect could have on the ETH token price. So EIP 1559 will change the system for Ethereum transaction users in a very positive way. They no longer have to guess how much to pay to get their purchase or sale processed. The system will change from a first price auction system to a set fee system. Now with EIP 1559, all Ethereum users will have the same gas price and same transaction fee. They either agree to the price and pay it or wait until the price falls. It's not going to be like buying anything else online. You either pay the shipping or handling fee or you just don't buy the product. You don't have to set an auction price for those fees. So the second thing that will happen is that a portion of the transaction fees normally paid to the Ethereum miners will be diverted. This portion, called the base fee, will pay for ETH tokens that are then burned, and this reduces the total supply of ETH tokens. However, the reduction effect is not yet clear. Some estimated about 20% of the total fees and others estimated that it will be 4%. And now from CryptoSlate, we have Bank of Israel uses Ethereum blockchain for upcoming digital shekels. So according to the report, Ethereum is the first blockchain platform to host computer programs commonly known as smart contracts, which allow users to create new crypto assets and perform other functions. While the central bank is yet to give an official statement concerning this development, a report from the Jerusalem Post had revealed that the deputy governor of the central bank, Andrew Abir, stated that the Bank of Israel had already run a digital currency pilot. He made this disclosure during a recent conference of the Fair Value Forum of IDC. Per the report, the Bank of Israel was able to complete a pilot in an experimental closed environment based on Ethereum's architecture, which involved the trial issuance of tokens representing digital shekels and their transfer between digital wallets. And according to the report, the Apex Bank had stated that it will offer the digital shekel to payment service providers like the banks, fintechs, credit card issuers, and other institutions who would bear the responsibility of providing digital shekels to customers. And now last but not least, we're going to do a little price analysis on Ethereum. So we're going to open up this website and we're going to see Ethereum price analysis. ETH bounces from 1,700 and recovers over 200. So what's next? Ethereum dropped beneath its consolidation pattern toward the end of last week and fell into the support around 2,150 over the weekend. Unfortunately, on Monday, ETH slipped beneath 2,200 and continued lower until finding support at 1,888, which was provided by the 200-day MA, and yesterday the brief BTC dip beneath 30k caused ETH to slip below the 200-day MA and reach as low as 1,710 mid-March support. However, Ethereum had rebounded and closed back above the 200-day MA by the end of the day. So today, the bulls are attempting to push higher to reclaim that 200-day MA level, and looking ahead, if the buyers can reclaim 2,000, the first resistance lies at 2,162, which is bearish at 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, and this is followed by 2,300, bearish 0.5 Fibonacci, and then 2,400 on the 20-day MA and 2,500 on the 100 MA. On the other side, the first support lies at 1,888, and this is followed by 1,710 and 1,625. So the RSI rebounded from oversold conditions today, indicating the bearish pressure is starting to ease up. However, the momentum is still far from becoming bullish just yet. Alright everyone, so that was it for today's video. If you got some valuable information out of it, please don't forget to give it a like and also leave a comment down below on what you think. Subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications every time we post a new video, and as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one.